So here's my dither controller. If you have its cycle set to -1, it's going to loop, and you see that the progress bars fill up. It's about to switch. So then it has a buffer period. Exposure's finished. It's dithering once by 6, and then it'll dither again. And then settling. And I could probably do with expanding the settling, but not right now. And then it's going to start exposing, same time as that the mount does. And the progress bar is going to fill up. So it'll choose for its first dither any of these randomly, and then second dither the same. If I get rid of the second dither, which I think I'm going to do, it's going to only dither once. And that's just for, like, if you really want to get random. That way if you move over 10, come back down 10, go over 10, and come up 10, you're back where you were. But if you have a little bit of randomness, you'll probably not end up back where you were pixel-wise, if it's that accurate. But it probably isn't, but it's best to get far away, I guess. I don't know, never did them before. My first time being able to do it after writing this controller. And yeah, it's working pretty well, it seems like. So, yep. I have a few bugs to work out, a few more options I want to add in down here. Like, it'd be nice to set the buffer time and the time before it does the second dither, and there's a bug where I guess it's sometimes mismatches if you start the program before you start capturing, but just restarting it resets the values. I just need to make it so every time it loops, it resets. I also have it so if you right click, it starts it, and I want to add a little button that says arm right click, so it only does it once. That way you can just hit the start button. Like up here, I would just be able to click left click start, and then right click stop to start this, so they're lined up like nearly within a couple milliseconds of each other. Yep. And as you can see, I guess my alignment's good enough that it doesn't really need to correct RA. I mean, deck. There's no deck corrections, and it's not really doing it, which I think is interesting. Let's bring out my iPolar and have a look. It's wandered a little bit. It's pretty windy, so it's probably all what this is. But for a windy day, it's doing pretty good. It's going to dither again. Talked for 2.5 minutes. Dither by 8. I should be able to dither by 8. I only have 1. I think I'm set at 4 right now, so that means it selected 2. I'll have to check my code. I might be setting the wrong command. Anyway, yep. That's all for now.